Struggling with precise BGA repair jobs? Meet the LY-R490 BGA Rework Station, engineered for professional-grade soldering results. Perfect for Xbox, PS3, laptops, and more. Imagine flawless motherboard repairs at your own bench. No more guesswork, just reliable temperature control. Imported PLC temperature instrument ensures accuracy. J-Heater delivers precise BGA desoldering every time. 3 independent temperature zones for total control. Set up to 8 heat up or cool down segments per zone. Store up to 10 custom temperature curves easily. Far infrared heating board preheats the PCB evenly. Independent control means comprehensive preheating. Built-in PC serial port for computer communication. Connect, monitor, and control directly from your PC. External temperature measuring interface included. High-precision thermocouples for exact detection. Upper and bottom heating curves work independently. Rapid cross-flow cooling fan prevents PCB warping. Welding and desoldering finish with alarm functions. Equipped with a vacuum pen for easy BGA removal. Desoldering suction trip is quick and convenient. PCB positioning card slot for secure placement. V-shaped Fisher universal fixture protects PCB. Flexible, portable, and universally compatible. Handles big heat capacity PCBs with ease. Lead-free solder? No problem for the R490. Sirocco rotates 360 degrees for efficient cooling. Save time and labor with customizable tips. Choose from various Sirocco sizes for any job. Upgrade your circuit board maintenance workflow. Ideal for large boards and tiny chips alike. Laptop, desktop, mobile phone, one solution fits all. Stop worrying about overheating or misalignment. Every feature designed for reliability and on and ease. From setup to finish, experience seamless operation. Real users report faster, more consistent repairs. Transform your repair process with advanced tech. No more damaged PCBs or failed solder joints. Enjoy peace of mind with precision temperature control. Effortless switching between different repair modes. Store your favorite temperature profiles for repeat jobs. Monitor every step with computer connectivity. Get instant feedback and alarms for safety. Vacuum pen makes BGA handling stress-free. Universal fixture adapts to any board size. Protect your investment with advanced PCB care. Ready for professional workshops and home labs. Boost your productivity and repair quality today. Don't settle for less. Choose upgraded performance. LY-R490, the new standard in BGA rework stations. Take control of your soldering projects now. Experience the difference of precision engineering. Upgrade your toolkit with the LY-R490 today. Ready for flawless repairs? Get yours now. LY-R490 BGA Rework Station, engineered for excellence.